Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services, and what we got here is an Apple MacBook Air. The A number for this is A1466 and the motherboard is 820-00165A, and that number is, I love Apple black on black, but it's in here. I don't know if it can be seen. Well, at any rate, this computer was spilled on, and it made no sense because whenever you would plug it in, nothing would show up. I took it apart, and what I wanted to show is, let me get this thing here. This is the back cover, and as you can see, the cover is solid, but in the back here there is an opening for air circulation. So these are open. So when things were spilled, they usually splash from behind. If you take a look at the board, it is not damaged by the spill. So I had to look really close, and what I found was this connector right here. I'm not sure what it's used for, but there is a connector. And what happened here is the spill, one drop got onto this connector. I had to pull up the schematics for this computer, and what I found was that this connector has ground and 5 volt. These two pins, first and second over here, right next to each other, and that drop landed right there. Whatever was spilled had some kind of acid in it or something, and that usually causes the metal that you use to solder the components to I don't know if it melts or just disintegrates, and that creates a bridge between 0 and plus, or ground and plus, or plus or minus. On the schematic it showed that this connector is directly connected to the power connector, and this bridge that also is connected to the power board. So there's quite a bit of power going through this little connector. All I had to do was clean that up, and the computer magically became alive. It is interesting on how these big holes in the back of the computer that are used for cooling can allow splashes to get right in and cause this weird havoc. So do not have any liquids around your computers, otherwise you're gonna have to deal with this stuff. There was no damage to the components, but it was quite time consuming to try and find that little spot that caused the problem. That's all I have. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, enjoy, and save money.